Yeah? Yeah?
So, what do we have here today, boss?
We have part 2, installing mods in the Clio RS 200. Last episode we did these boost pipes. Cold air pipe, hot air pipe, boost pipe, Simposer pipe.
The broken one.
Don't worry. Today we're going to be installing KTR intake.
And the dog bone mount at the bottom.
Yeah, and a dog bone mount on the bottom.
It's going to be a fucking pain on the floor.
Yes.
But
So
we move.
we're making this into a 400 kilowatt
400. Right.
Powerflex lower torque mount. Because under the car.
What else do we have?
We also have
Little socks.
oh yeah, ankle crack. We have an intake.
This looks mad.
Cold air intake from KTR.
Good stuff.
That replaces that, goes down, goes.
It sits down like that.
Yeah. Like next to this bit.
Yeah.
Down. And this box
Let me just
here.
let me just show you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's far.
That broke last time, but that's alright.
So we need to fix that.
We'll find a solution for that.
We'll find a solution. Yeah, let's get cracking. Just took this little bitch off from this little thing,
From down there.
and that's like the, I don't know, some sort of fucking airbox thing.
It's just a fucking air pipe, really.
And so now we have more operating room. Take this out.
Yeah. That's got to get gone.
That's gonna get fucked off.
And then the pipe behind it.
Yeah.
And then the mounts down the bottom somewhere. And then,
Yeah, happy days.
yeah,
Alright.
right, we'll try again. On these ones, it says to remove the battery. But we're not going to fucking do that.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
We're going to choose the easiest way out, alright? Don't you love it how simple instructions make it look?
Oh, no way.
Even though this is going to be a 30-minute job and it's going to end up taking, I don't know, 6 hours probably. Oh, James is actually doing something.
This is a sports filter I installed.
That you installed, let's see it.
ITG.
Look at his fade, by the way. Look at his. Anyway.
Fuck, I turned the wrong way. Sponsored by Heights Barber.
Heights Barber.
Come down.
You,
Don't find me, please.
120. Yeah, so airbox. Airbox doesn't come out. You gotta take the battery out.
We put in. This camera's mad.
I know the camera's moving.
This is mad. How does it just move like that?
Yeah, use this.
There we go.
And that's the stock airbox out. Now we're empty.
That was quick. That was like fucking 3 bolts.
Yeah, well, when you don't have to put the whole bumper off
Yeah, that was like
for a simple part.
It was like 3 bolts. Now look at the
So
amount
now
of
you should be doing all this stuff up here.
No, yeah.
I'll get some glue. I might have A and B.
Alright, man has A and B. Stay tuned. I'll tighten my wrench, baby.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah,
I've got the dad on the job now.
Is that alright?
Change the dad.
that's fine.
I gotta say, this brand, very, very easy.
Yeah. Say 4 bolts.
Very easy to put it together.
4 bolts. Have to remove the battery.
It's one nut and bolt down there. There's a little bracket there.
Which this bit goes inside.
That dick that connects to it.
And so
Put the pipe in first.
Yeah.
But you're doing nothing, but.
what are we doing that
Don't
for?
put fucking pre.
What's I gonna do that? Look! Oh my god, that for me.
But he couldn't
It's the same thing,
But
that.
he couldn't pause it before James.
And that's in.
This keeps coming fucking back out.
And it comes back out because of the. Is that too tight? The screw at the bottom?
Nah,
Just bend that metal
because
flap
there's flex.
out.
There's
What do you
flex
think,
in the
PP?
middle.
What if you just bend that metal flap? You took the rubber part that you took out.
I don't think it makes any difference.
Should I give it a rev? Sounds alright. Sounds alright.
Why are you stopping for, dickhead?
Four-man deep launch control.
Great angle on his cock. Absolute dreadful craps. We have a sex box, and then here we have a shoe box. I used to be a Jake Paul fanboy. He used to
I'm
use
going
it
to
for
drill you. I'm going to drill.